Hi mga kabulda! May bala ka bang pumunta ng Norway? At gusto mong DIY lang? Ito ang mga documents na pinasa ko sa VFS Makati. First time ko mag-apply, no agency at approve agad. FS appointment form, Harmonized UDE payment confirmation, plane ticket back and forth, AXA travel insurance, his bank statement and bank certificate, his driver license and passport with tatak, his house contract and receipt, his payslip, pictures together, and pictures of my family, Airbnb receipt here in Makati, and then his plane ticket from Norway to Philippines. My strong of ties in Philippines is my nanay. She is a senior citizen. I include her PSA birth certificate and her ID. I submit also my Sun Life insurance, my two banks, BPI and Union Bank certificate and statement. Affidavit of return need to apostle. Please guys, please don't forget to make a cover letter for your application. My pag-ibig, SSS, and PhilHealth. Print your national ID and Xerox your passport. Don't forget to bring a black ball pen and picture for your visa. Yan lang guys ang pinasa ko sa my VFS Makati. As long as nakompleto naman yung mga requirements niyo guys, bilis lang ma-approve ang application niyo. As I encounter lang ha. Pero nakadepende rin yan guys sa tao na mag-handle ng documents mo. Case to case basis. Kaya kung kaya ko guys, I'm sure makakaya nyo rin. At welcome na kayo dito sa Norway. Don't forget to visit my YouTube.